Worried about your Google account information lingering on your Android phone? Today, we'll show you how to remove it completely, boosting your privacy and security. First, unlock your Android phone and navigate to the Settings app. The icon usually looks like a gear or cogwheel. Tap on it to open your phone settings. Scroll down within the Settings menu until you find the section labeled Accounts or Accounts and Backup. Then tap on this option. The exact wording may vary depending on your phone's manufacturer. You'll now see a list of all the accounts currently signed in on your device. Locate the Google account you want to remove and tap on it. It will display your email address associated with the account. On the Google account settings page, you should see an option to remove account. It might also appear as delete account on some devices. Tap on remove account. A confirmation message will pop up, warning you that removing the account will delete its associated data from the phone. This includes contacts, emails, calendar events, and other information synced with that account. Read the message carefully, and if you're sure, tap on remove account or OK to confirm. The phone will now process the removal. After a few seconds, you will be taken back to the account screen, and the Google account you removed will no longer be listed, and that's it. You've successfully removed the Google account from your Android device. You can now rest assured that your personal information is secure if you're selling or sharing your phone.